welcome back to our channel. I'm Chloe and this is my brother Marcus. Today's vlog, we're going to pick some potatoes in our garden, right Mommy?
Yeah. What are you going to do with the potatoes?
We're going to make the french fries. I'll get this one. Quack. Please.
Ooh, look at that.
Can I knives? I dig it.
Show to daddy.
Look, Daddy. Dig it again.
Oh, more, get more.
Wow, look. Whoa,
yeah,
not a potato,
That's so
baby.
big. Show to mommy.
One potato, two potato, three potato, four.
Is that it?
I'll put it there. This.
Just big ones, love, okay? Wow. Ang dami bunga.
Ate, can I hold?
Oh, put it down lang, ha? Put it down first, Marcus.
There's more.
Wow. Oh, get it. Sige na, it's okay. You're gonna wash your hands later.
Whoa. There's more
Ooh.
in this.
Marcus, get
Why
that.
did we got potatoes again?
Oh, go, Chloe. I think more. Don't get those small pa. Don't get those babies. Marcus, put it down first. You can put it down and we're gonna pick it up later.
I pull it, Mom.
Okay, I'll put it there, Chloe.
Now, guys, we got potatoes. We got one potato, two potatoes.
I think more.
3 potatoes, 4, 5 potatoes.
Tinanim
6
namin
potatoes.
to, guys, nung before mag-summer.
Is this
Look
it?
at this lang. Let me get it.
Wow!
Ooh.
I love potatoes to make French fries.
Yeah, babe, here pa.
Oh, I'm gonna hold one. Here. Wow. Mom, I love holding.
Babe, I think that's that's a big one. Yeah,
Where?
I'm going to help you.
Yes, this is this.
Ooh.
This is this. Okay. This the biggest.
Put it there. Put it in the ground first.
Put it in the
We
ground.
are going to make some French fries. Don't get those babies, okay?
Just are we allowed the big one?
Yeah, just the bigs.
Okay, the big one. I think I feel some. The big one mine and the small one.
Ooh, here, love.
I found it.
Wow.
This is mine.
Here, Marcus, get this one. Oh. Marcus, here, Marcus.
Oh, come on, Marcus.
Marcus, get it.
Come on, it's your turn.
Don't get those babies, okay?
I found it.
Ooh.
Mom, this is not ginormous, so it's out these.
Okay.
Yay, mine's the kindness.
No more.
Just keep digging.
Oh, don't remove that one because it will gonna make some babies more. Make baby potatoes. Like this. Oh, look. Oh, don't grab that.
Why?
I think...
What is this? Is there a rock or what?
I think that's potato. I think that's the mother one. Don't get it, okay?
Why?
Because he will gonna make some babies there. Oh, don't.
Look, Mom,
Just
there's
put
a
it back
tiny
there.
one.
Babies.
So cute.
Yeah. So guys, that's our potato plant.
Now
We have lots.
I'll take
I think we have more here. I feel something, or they are still baby. Oh, this one is big, Marcus.
Mom,
Marcus. Oops.
come
Put
on,
it down
I'll
first.
show him. Give me that.
You have to put it down first.
It's
Mom.
your turn. Go, go, go,
We
go.
have lots. No more? I think there's a lot, babe. Here, oh, babe.
Oh,
I saw it.
is this one?
Oh, yeah.
It looks like it's a ball.
So we are going to make some
French fries.
French fries.
Like the McDonald's.
Yeah,
They'll
from
be so
our
crispy.
potato plant. Marcus.
That's it. Marcus,
Ooh.
I'll show them for you. Let's go. Here,
I
Marcus.
think more.
I don't
Guys,
like
more,
it.
guys.
I need a big one.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, there's, oh, yeah.
I don't need this. Oh, this is so small.
It's okay.
No. This is too small as well.
Yeah, for daddy's steak, when we make some steak, then we going to...
We're not getting the muddy one.
Oh, what's this? I saw something. Don't get it, baby.
It's a potato. Potato. Potato.
We
Potato.
have lots of potatoes.
Mom, we're gonna load it to our channel, guys.
Yeah.
So, guys, I'm doing this because
Yeah.
it's very new. Hey, guys, I'm doing this one because we get so much tea potatoes. Let's count them. I don't know what to count.
Oh, you get some again. Go.
I
Put it
got it finally. A sack. I got another one.
Maybe I think that's a... Maybe let me see. No, don't get that.
Look at this. What is this?
That's a mom. I think that's a mom plant.
Yeah. Bye.
Oh, here.
Yes.
Ooh, so guys,
here?
we have lots of
Potato.
potato.
What if we got lots of them from our garden?
Yeah, and next time we're gonna get the green pumpkin.
green pumpkin. Where's the pumpkin for green?
So guys, ganyan yung mga anak ko. As in, mahilig din sila mag-garden. Oh, don't get those babies. Don't get those
Put it
babies.
beside their mom.
Yeah. So ayan, tinuturuan ko sila
What
sa
is
gardening.
Yuck.
Even in my oh, don't touch it. Even in my garden sa mga indoor plants ko.
Mom, there's
Minsan sila yung
something inside.
nagdidilig.
What is this?
Oh, baby, oh, I got one more. Oh,
Yay!
So ayan, oh, we got lots.
I'll find some
Hey, babe,
potatoes. Thanks, Mom. Look, it's hugging me. Look at that perky.
Oh.
How can we get it? Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe our channel, click the bell button, and thumbs up and subscribe. Bye! French fries. Come on.